Any component, throw it on the tire frame at will, can be welded. Let's take a look. How is that possible? After watching this video, you might think it's visual. No, definitely not. Because of the eyes, there is no way to move the arm to work. The one that plays the biggest role here, the operating system. It's called a software algorithm. It's smart welding, workstation brain, all the action, just to provide data. Give this brain. Now you understand. What are we doing? Yes, this is the brain, the operating system.